Good morning, students of standard 11th. Today we are going to study topic male reproductive system of cockroach from chapter 7, structural organization in animals. Male reproductive system. The male reproductive system of cockroach comprises of following parts: testis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles. Students, the most important part of the male reproductive system of cockroach are the testis, vas deferens and seminal vesicles. But besides this important parts, there are some accessory glands like mushroom gland and a specific duct which is called as the ejaculatory duct. Testis. It is paired male reproductive part which produces sperm. So students, you can notice that testis is the most important part of the reproductive system of cockroach and which is paired. And the main function of which is to produce sperm. Students, testis generally remains present in the fourth and fifth segment in cockroach. Students, with the help of this picture, it's easy to understand that how testis appears. So students, this is how testis appears, and you can notice they are 2 in number. That means it is a paired structure, and the main function of which is to produce sperms. Vas deferens. It is paired tube-like structure which open into an ejaculatory duct. So students, into an ejaculatory duct. So students, vas deferens actually is 2 in number. That is why it is written as paired, and because it appears like a tube, so that is why it is written tube like structure, and which finally opens into the ejaculatory duct. Since vas deferens acts as the connecting link between the testis and the ejaculatory duct. Seminal vesicles. It glues the sperm together in the form of bundles, which is called as spermatophores. So students, even the seminal vesicles has a very important role, as the sperm which is carried by the testis to the vas deferens, and further from vas deferens to the seminal vesicle, the seminal vesicle glues these sperms. Since the sperms are glued in such a way that it forms bundle, and this bundle of sperms are called as spermatophores. So students, in this diagram we can clearly notice the structure of testis, the structure of vas deferens which is paired in structure, and the seminal vesicle which remains present here. Ejaculatory duct. It is elongated, wide, duct-like structure which opens out by male gonophore. So students, ejaculatory duct actually receives the sperm from the seminal vesicle and further transports it to the male gonophore. Ejaculatory duct actually is a elongated, wide, duct-like structure. So students, ejaculatory duct actually is the main part of the male reproductive system which is responsible for carrying the sperm to the male gonophore. Mushroom shaped gland. It is large accessory reproductive gland which nourishes sperm. Students, mushroom shaped gland is also one of the important accessory reproductive gland, the main function of which is to nourish the sperm. Since mushroom shaped gland actually is the specific gland which is made up of two different types of tubules. The short central tubules and the long peripheral tubules. Now students, both of these tubules we can easily notice in the diagram if we concentrate on it. So students, this is the mushroom gland, which is the largest accessory gland, and the two important parts of this gland are the peripheral tubules and the central tubules, which we can find here, the central tubules and the peripheral tubules. Now students, we also can see here that the central tubules are short tubules and the peripheral tubules are long tubules. So these students, this which you are seeing here very long, these are the peripheral tubules which remains present in the periphery of the mushroom shaped gland, whereas the central tubule which you are seeing here in the center, which is located in the center of the mushroom shaped accessory gland, is short in shape. Both of these two tubules play a very important role in nourishing the sperms. Now students, let us discuss a very important question. What are the parts of mushroom gland? Answer: the following are the parts of mushroom gland of cockroach: peripheral tubules and central tubules. Thank you students.